So we're back in Honolulu and we're staying at the Hale Koa Hotel. Now the Hale Koa Hotel is only for DoD members, so active duty retirees, 100% disabled veterans, reservists, and DoD civilians. So we've stayed here once before. It's a phenomenal hotel. So if you're in the military and you're coming to Hawaii, I really recommend you try the Hale Koa first to see if they have any availability. They did not have any availability when we first came, but I happened to see when we were here before going to Australia and they had an opening. So we hopped in on it. So they had one room available. So we're gonna go check it out. And when you come here, you gotta do the luau also. You'll thank me for that. Hale Koa, you gotta do a luau because they are phenomenal and they are very well done. So the Hale Koa is a phenomenal hotel slash resort, if you will. They've got a beautiful environment, 2 pools, 1 adult only, 1 everybody, which is nice. They have a restaurant, they have a gym, they have a shopette, they have a barber shop and a beauty shop, they have a spa, they've got an activity center, they have luau's, magic shows, fantastic dinners. The rooms are really cool and clean. They've just been doing renovations, so the hotel's pretty much all renovated now. Right on Waikiki Beach. You want to set up excursions? They got excursions. Table set up that you can go and talk to somebody about excursions. There's just a lot to do. And if you go quarter of a mile that way, you're right on the main strip with all the shopping, restaurants, and the bar area. So it's really cool. Second time staying here. Tried like 4 or 5 times, but it's always busy. So you gotta plan way in advance. Now here's another cool thing about the Hale Koa is it's based off of rates are based off of your rank, except for the room I happen to be in, which is based off of the price of everybody. So depending on what your rank is, and people getting in my video, call random people, your rate's going to be cheaper than others. So let's go check out the video of the Hale Koa and let me know if you have any questions. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button too. At the family pool, or all-inclusive pool I should say, they have the life jackets for little ones. You'll have to wear a blue band because people from the Hilton have come over here a lot since the renovation because they have water slides in here now. So you'll have fun in the water slides. The pool bar is right next door, and if you need some alcohol beverages, right around the corner is the Barefoot Bar.
Still